Start. This is the third video on this. To find the length of chord passing through vertex. Passing through vertex A is 0, 0 is the vertex of parabola, and its equation is y square equal to 4ax. Suppose slope theta is the inclination of chord, then its slope will be y upon x, that is equal to tan theta. Means we can say y equal to x tan theta. If we substitute this value here, it will be x square tan square theta equal to 4ax. Cancelling x on both sides, we can say x is equal to 4a cot square theta. Now put this value here, y square equal to 4a into 4a into x, that is 4a cot square theta. It simply becomes y equal to 4a cot theta. Now length of chord, by distance formula we can say 0 minus this 4a cot square theta whole square plus 0 minus 4a cot theta. Expanding, you will write it 16a square cot raised to 4 theta plus 16a square cot square theta. If I take 16a square cot square theta common, that is 4a into cot theta into square root of cot square theta plus 1. But cot square theta plus 1 is 1 plus cot square theta cosec square theta, square root of cosec theta is cosec theta simple. We can write like this also, or 4a into cos theta upon sin theta into cosec theta. It becomes 4a cos theta into 1 upon sin is cosec theta, again one more, that is cosec square theta. This is length of any chord having inclination theta. This question we have completed. But if you have to find out the focal chord, to find equation of focal chord. This was also asked once in examination. Suppose P, AT1 square twice AT1, and Q, that is AT2 square twice AT2, are the ends of the focal chord, where the relation between T1 and T2 is -1, that means. This question was asked, length of the focal chord of the parabola is to 4x, making an angle alpha with the x-axis is these four options. Once upon it was asked. Then slope is nothing but the tan alpha, that is y2 minus y1 twice at2 minus twice at1 upon 82 square minus 81 square. If you take twice a common, t2 minus t1. If I take a common, t2 minus t1 into t1 plus t2. Rest of the things get cancelled, 2 upon t1 plus t2. Or simply t1 plus t2 I can write as a 2 cot alpha. Recently we have derived length of chord, focal chord, equal to a into t2 minus t1 square. Or we can write a into T1 plus T2 minus 4 T1 T2 square like this. T1 plus T2 value we have, that is 8 4 cot square alpha minus 4 into T1 T2 value that you know. If I take 4 common, 4e, remaining is cot square alpha plus 1. It becomes simply 4a square cosec square alpha. This is the length of chord. This question can be done like this. On this basis, recently in examination 2019, 2 questions were asked. See here, one of the focal chord of the parabola is at 1, 4, then the length of the focal chord is. Length of the focal chord, for finding this, in general, in this way, we can substitute the value of, find out the value of tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but the y2 minus y1, and for this question, focal coordinate passes the focus will have coordinate 4, 0, it is not 4x, it is simply 16x. 4a means 4, 0 and 1, 4 is 1 point. Therefore, its slope is 4 minus 0 upon 1 minus 4, that is 4 by 3, that is minus. That is equal to tan alpha. That is equal to tan alpha. Tan alpha equal to this. Then the length of focal chord is 4a square cosec square alpha. Cosec square alpha 4a square. A is 4 here. 4 square into, we have taken this A only, 4a, not a square, 4a. Therefore, it is 4 into 4. Cosec square is 1 plus cot square alpha, that is equal to 16 into 1 plus 1 upon tan square alpha, that is 16 into 1 plus 1 upon tan square, that is a reciprocal of this, that is 9 upon 16, means 16 into 16 plus 9 is 25 upon 16, cancelling both the terms, you will find that is 25. Therefore, 25, that is A option is right in this case. One more question is pending, that is this one, length of the chord of parabola. I would like to assign to the students how to find this. Simply put x is equal to, this is question number 2. For question number 2, put x is equal to root 2y minus 4 root. In this equation, x square plus 4 means root 2y minus 4 root 2 whole square equal to x square equal to 4y. Expanding it is 2y square. Product, it's double, that is 4 into 2, 8 into 2, 16y plus 16 into 2, 32 equal to 4y. Therefore, it is transferred here. Try to simplify, find the two values of y. Then accordingly we will get the two values of x, and from there by distance formula you can apply and find the value of this. And here is the end of the spot.